Hi guys, and welcome back to my video. Today's video is a evening routine slash, kids doing their chores, homework. The kids have different section of the house that they're in charge of keeping clean. Destiny has vacuuming, so she has to vacuum the entire downstairs until we change over to all laminate flooring later on this year. Or early this year, depending on our budget and our financial situation. And then Jordan is in charge of dishes. Him and his twin brother are in charge of doing dishes. His brother washes the dishes and he drives, and he takes forever in a day. So he overlaps multiple chores within the household. He takes a while, so sometimes I have the other kids help him out, and sometimes I just let him do his thing. But he's very detailed. He takes his time and he does a really good job, and I'm proud of him and his progress he's made. Jason is in charge of different things depending on how fast he finish. Dishes, I'll have him go and help his sister get the floor together, get stuff off the floor, take stuff up, because we live on 2 different levels. We have the upstairs and then we have the downstairs. And so guys, this is a turn that down for me please. This is a evening routine with 5 children. I wanted to hop on here before I forget. Also, I did come say hi. You look here. So also I flat ironed this one's hair, even though I said I wasn't going to, but I went ahead and flat ironed her hair. All right, let's put you out of the light. So I told you guys I wasn't gonna put heat in her hair, and I lied. I don't know why, but her hair is so much healthier. And I think this is the first and the last that I'm gonna be adding, that I'm going to be putting heat in her hair this year, because I love how healthy her hair is and I don't want to damage it. So yes, baby girl's hair is on the road to recovery. So I just wanted to tell you guys. And thank you guys so much for those of you that commented on what to use in her hair and stuff like that, because it helped. It helped so much. The front of her hair is growing like none other, because I told you guys it only grows to a certain length in the front, but it's growing. Like, yeah, it's growing in the front. So super proud of us, right, Destiny? Yes, you can put it back up. So yeah, and then finish what you're doing.
Can I go do some over here?
So once Destiny's finished with the floor, her next job is to make sure her dog, because Juju is her dog. She got him for her, I believe it was her 8th birthday, and I'm not a dog person, so I'm sorry. I don't mean to offend anyone, but I'm not a dog person. I love my dog, but I'm not a dog person per se. My husband, yes, he's all for having pets in our home, but with having pets comes responsibility. And yes, we do bathe our dog in the sink. It's the easiest way, and trust me, he's really healthy and there's no bugs on him or anything. So we do bathe him in the sink because of convenience. And sometimes he does bathe upstairs in the bathtub, but since we were down here doing chores, we figured we'd just give him a bath in the sink, and don't worry, we clean up afterwards. So Destiny's in charge of her dog, and she makes sure he's bathed and he's fed, and she's in charge of his supplies, making sure that he has all his stuff that he needs and stuff like that. Daddy, of course, keeps him healthy and make sure he has his medication for flea prevention. So yeah. Daddy's here. Daddy, daddy, daddy.
You brought the whole mustard and ketchup.
Is your dada here? Hi, honey.
Dinner's almost done. Is it done or almost?
Almost done. Made rice, and then we have
Chili over here.
we have some chili over here going.
Yep. And you have something in the oven, right?
No, I'm about to cut up some bread and toast it. I'm not putting it in the oven.
What's
Just putting it in the toaster.
Cornbread's in there, right?
No, there's nothing in the oven, Jordan. And guys, Daddy's home. Jason, Daddy's home.
I said hi.
Oh, you did? Okay. Did you say hi
Yeah.
to Daddy? Okay. I'm getting ready to cut up this bread and toast it. I got it from Walmart for 36 cents. So I'm going to use it before it goes bad. I don't even know the expiration dates on this bad boy. January. Use Best Buy January 24th. It's January 28th, 29th.
We're changing the diaper.
We're going to change his diaper.
Let's change the diaper. Come on.
Ow, that hurt. I'm gonna cut this up and toast it, and then dinner's ready. How was work?
Good. It was good.
Yeah, cut.
This guy has exciting news for you guys, but in a few months, right?
A little bit.
In a few months. In a few weeks, actually. In a few weeks, they'll have some good news for you guys. Get off my counter. Get your little dirty butt off my counter. But in the meantime, you guys just hang tight. I have a Q&A. Someone asked me a question. I might as well just put the answer. I don't know. I'm not going to put it in. I'm going to do it separate. So you guys, if you see that post, the Q&A post of me asking for you guys to ask questions, if you have questions, put it there because I want to get that Q&A video out soon. If not, then I'll just throw the 2 little questions in a vlog somewhere. So you guys have to either watch or stay tuned. Or I will answer the questions on the post.
Pretty.
What is she doing down there, Leah? 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 Oh, the boys' mentor program. They went to, where did you guys go yesterday? Rails and Railroads?
Yes.
No, Rails and Roads Museum.
Yes.
And then the week before that, they went to a nature center. And I don't know where they're going next week. Should be fun.
Yeah.
Because the person that's mentoring them is a really good friend of ours. And he's amazing. He is amazing. That's all I can say. Yes, he does a good job. Which I knew he would.
You're welcome, Jaxson.
Which is one of the reasons why we requested for him to mentor the kids. Oh, he does it. Yes, honey. Hubby's thinking of adding a new family member to our family. Hang on, wait a second. Oh, you get to pick?
Jordan.
Go sit down, Jordan. You get to pick?
Mm-hmm.
They're so adorable. I think they're mixed with Labrador and Pit. It's a Labrador and a Pit.
One in all pockets for.
Which is good because it's not a full-fledged pit bull, right? He wants something better, more. He wants a bigger dog to guard the house when he's away. Right, Leah? Is that why you want the dog, honey?
Yeah.
So I like. They look cute. They look cute. Anyways, I'm gonna go finish dinner and come back. You going to the big table?
They're gonna leave little Maddie.
Yeah, they leaving mommy. Is it good, mama?
Little Maddie. Go sit over here, Dad.
Are you going to the big table or are you staying here? Jojo, are you staying with Maddie?
Yep.
Okay. Enjoy, okay, guys? Is it good, Mommy? She said, Is it good? You're a mess.
Thank you guys for watching our video, and I'll see you guys next time.
Guys, it's the next day, and I forgot to close out that video, and I needed an ending. And the kids are home from school because it's way too cold. And so I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip. I'm recording on my phone, so I don't know about the quality, but I wanted to keep consistency or consistent. I don't know what I'm trying. You guys know what I'm trying to say, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. Stay tuned for more like those, because I won't get my battery no time soon, because I have to wait for hubby to order it. But we have good news coming, so stay tuned for that. And I'm so grateful that you guys have stuck with us through our little transition there for a little bit, and for your encouragement and your support. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
They're going in the basement.
Ready?